Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. Today we're going to unbox this new rectangle raised garden bed by Vegega. Now this is a 17-inch high, 6-in-1, a beautiful, good budget price. If you guys saw my video, you see how much stuff I grow in the raised bed. It grows amazing. And by its 17-inch high, you get less bending down, less back pain or problem. And if you have any little bunnies and stuff, they can't get in there. You get less bugs and less weed. And it's easy to assemble. It's affordable. Plus, I'm going to give you guys an exclusive discount code. Check in the link in the description box so you don't have to pay full price. This bed is eco-friendly, rust-free, lasts for 20 plus years. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fill it up in a cheap, organic way that we could get good airflow, good drainage, good compost, good nutrition. So right now, we're going to unbox and show you how to put together easy. It comes in this nice small box right here. We're going to unbox. I like to unbox stuff. Now we're going to check what's in the box. I got the green color. I'm trying to mix everything around. I have different colors. And you can see how nicely, neatly this thing is packed. What's in the box? We have the full guide right here. We have all the bolts and nuts. It's just bolts and nuts, and they give you the tool, so it's easy. The rubber that goes in the edges, these are the part that goes inside to keep the rods, to keep them stronger, sturdy. These are the corner pieces, and you could see this company have multiple color of their bed, and you can see how it's nicely wrapped with plastic. So always remember to remove the plastic. And these are the side panels. You can see right here, always remember to remove the plastic. See that? Good, beautiful, nice material right here. And then if you turn it around, look at this beautiful coated right here. First thing to do, just come to the corner and remove the plastic. Easy. The first thing I recommend you do is to find your product on this page right here, and this way you'll have an idea if you have a 6-in-1, 9-in-1, and you can see this here is the rectangle one we have, because this is the 17-inch tall 6-in-1. So we could either build it this way, which is it's smaller but wider, or we could build it long rectangle way, which that's what I'm gonna do, because we have 10 panels, four corners, and the two middle piece. So I'm gonna do this way. So if you look right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 panels on each side, and one in the back and one in the front, and then we have the corner piece. So that's kind of easy to do. All right, so I hope you guys could see. You grab one of your panel, grab one of the corner piece, and you're gonna line them up like that. Match the holes up. Before using the tool to tighten it, you could take your index finger, hold it down, and then tighten up. All right, so just use a screwdriver. Put a screwdriver from there and turn it so this way it does not spin. But what we're gonna do before tightening it up, we're gonna put our bolts and nut right through in the whole line, and then we're gonna tighten it up, which is very easy and simple. Don't forget to put your washer. It does helps and hold everything in places. So it's easy. It's not hard to do. It's simple and easy. It just takes a little time. Put on a little music, and you're good to go. So you can see right here, all the bolts are on. And that's how it looks right here. So I put on one corner piece, and one panel right there. So that's this corner right there. So now we need, if you check 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 panel here and 4 panels. So we're gonna put 4 here, 4 here, and then we're gonna put the other corner piece and then another panel, and it's done. All right, here's the beautiful baby. I'm loving this green, by the way. And you could see it comes with a 2 inside extender piece to hold it in place and keep it stronger. And look at this, beautiful. I mean, really beautiful. I'm telling you, this is their new best budget price, affordable, plus with my code it's cheap. And now all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this rubber and I'm gonna put the rubber right around. So I kind of set it up to the other one. I have the other bed with the trellis there from Vegega too, and you could see how beautiful it looks. Look at this. I do have to fill it up with more dirt. I gotta tell you, it's a chilly day. Before filling your garden bed, make sure you figure out a spot where you're gonna put it, because a garden bed is not something you're planning to move, or you're gonna have a hard time moving it, basically. So I'm gonna show you real quick how to fill it in a smart way. And it's fall time in New York, and I'm gonna fill it now because I have a lot of stuff on the ground that I could use. So I'm going to show you real quick how to fill it smart, cheap, and organic way. In the box, the Vegega box, there's a lot of cardboard paper, but the ones that I use, it has no tape. The plastic, I pulled it out, has no ink, no tape, no design, nothing. It's just a plain, simple cardboard paper. You got to remember, you don't want to put soil. If you put soil in here, it's not gonna, you're not gonna get the best production. So, and it's gonna cost you a lot of money. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the cardboard paper down, then we're gonna follow by logs, and I'm gonna show you step by step. Add whatever cardboard paper I have at the bottom. Bandit is helping out, Kayla's relaxing, right Kaylee? All right, right here you could see I put a bunch of logs and at the bottom right here. This will help with good airflow, good drainage. Stuff start breaking down, it's gonna add to our soil, to our plant, help them growing bigger, stronger, better, good quality, organic, and free right in your yard, or go around the block or see who's chopping logs. Check your local Craigslist and stuff like that. You will get free logs. Next, we're gonna add a bunch of sticks and branches, and then I'm going to show you what's next. So if you have compost, banana peel, kitchen scraps and stuff, you could add all of them in there. Unfortunately, I don't have any, but I drove around the block and I pick up about 6 bags of leaves. A lot of leaves. Leaf, when that start break down, it's so rich organic matter. Our bed is going to be supercharged, and it's fall time. So come next spring, all this is going to break down, and all you have to do is add soil after. Make sure you leave about 6 to 8 inches of room, so this way you could add all your soil on the top of it, which will be a healthy super bed right now. Add mix compost with your soil if you want, or mix some kind of fertilizer or fresh soil. We'll add on the top, will give a big boost. I'm out of bread. I put a bunch of sticks on the bottom and a bunch of dry leaves. And what I did, get yourself a pair of boots and step inside. Step inside, pressing everything down. Make sure it's all compact and nice. If you're going to use your raised bed right now, leave about 6 to 8 inches on the top. If it's fall time, you could fill it higher. You see, I only have about 3 inches, maybe 4 inches on the top still. So this, I'm going to water it right now. I'm going to step more and walk all over it, and then water it really good. The water will help everything start breaking down. So come springtime, this is going to be super healthy, breaking down faster, and I just have to add all soil. What you could do for an example, get your John Deere, crush everything up into small pieces so it breaks down faster. And don't forget, coming up soon, I will be making the giveaway video. You could get a chance to win a Vegega raised garden bed free, coming right to your doorstep for this holiday. I'm teaming up with Vegega so you guys could get a chance to win a bed. Why not? If we could do it, let's do it, all right? So if you're new, click the red subscribe button, followed by the bell icon. Soon as I upload a video, you'll get it right away, and I'll let you guys know how easy it is to enter the contest. It's free, and it's really, really easy, and I wish everybody good luck and a happy holiday coming up. And thank you so much for everyone who's watching Green Tea Garden. Don't forget to check the description box for more price and details on Vegega Raised Garden Bed.